G'day guys, Rob from Yamaha here. We're down at the water today and we're about to drop this brand new motor in the water. But before we do, we're going to fit one of these genuine Yamaha cowling covers to it. Now we know that these are already built tough, but if you're one of these guys who likes to take your kids out on the boat, or a buddy who's hopeless throwing sinkers or crab traps, ski ropes around, a cowling cover can just give you that extra bit of protection to make sure you look after your investment. Now we already know that Yamaha outboards have the highest resale value on the market, but if you were to fit one of these cowling covers and protect it even further, you're going to see more money back in your pocket when you upgrade to your next Yamaha. So as I'm going to show you now, these things are super easy to fit. So it's all on there now. As you can see, it's a nice snug fit right the way around the outboard. And importantly, because it's a genuine Yamaha accessory, it's got the air vents in exactly the right places to make sure you get maximum clean air through your outboard. And the good thing is, it's never going to come off while you're on the water or while you're trailing and driving down the highway. Okay, so you can see how easy that was to fit and how good it looks on the outboard. Now for this and hundreds more genuine Yamaha accessories, hop in and see your local Yamaha dealer or purchase online at shopyamaha.com.au.